Okay, okay, may buntag mga kabagtok. So karon mga kabagtok magpakaunta o magpainom tag tubig. So karon pa magita kabalik sa to ang gamay na puguhan mga kabagtok. Kay gioperahan mo tong tiyan agi sa appendix mga kabagtok. So let's go. Inay naman punta og ka liulian atong samad mga kabagtok. And they're going to have some choices to make, Anderson. But bottom line, yes, that is the message going out tonight diplomatically, trying to say this is what this is about. This is not about regime change. Again, something you and I have been talking about. This is not about regime change. It's about your nuclear facilities. Should have taken the deal. He didn't. This is where we are. It can stop here or it can escalate. And the objective through that diplomacy is not to go up that escalation ladder, to try to stop it here. But this is a incredibly serious moment. I think that diplomacy has to be active, engaged from all sides, our allies, our partners, even those who might not agree with this decision, trying to ensure we do not go up that ladder. But if we do, I'm fairly confident that CENTCOM has prepared our own counters should that happen. But use your judgment on what you can say, but I just want to ask, how confident can U.S. Tahan gilamigas mga kabagtok. Tahan tubig mga kabagtok. So, itong bisitahan dito sa Pikas Dre mo anis Pikas mga kabagtok. Tahan po natog tubig o pagkaon mga kabagtok. Daghan maglamigas mga kabagtok. Semi-ipit man ta mga kabagtok. So this is not like a new situation, a new target. I don't want to say too much, but I think our commanders, they knew exactly what to target when they hit the pilots. So that's tagak. But yes, there will be nabuak ng isa mga kabagtok. As light comes up, there will be damage assessments to determine the success. And I think right now they believe we're very successful. So ito mga kabagtok no.